So my name is Doug Nelson and Office of Doug Nelson. I focus on wills, trusts, estate planning, powers of attorney, and probate, particularly probate for deceased individuals. And I've been practicing about 11 years now. I was interested in helping people. I'm interested in the law generally. I kind of like knowing how things work, and in some way the law is kind of like the rules for our country or society, and I think that's interesting. And in this particular field, I enjoy the process of planning. I often work with people who are thinking ahead and want to get everything lined up. And I admire that. And the process of helping people get some resolution and sometimes closure after someone passes away is also nice. Sometimes if it's an estate where there was fortunately more assets than bills, people can get an inheritance that's sometimes life-changing. That's not always the case, but it's nice to be a part of that when the distribution can really change somebody's life. I like to see matters all the way through. So some attorneys are good at kind of giving you a list of instructions and here you are, this is what you need to do. But I prefer to be more hands-on. So sometimes I visit clients at their homes if that's necessary because of their mobility, sometimes age. Not everybody wants to come downtown, and that's okay. Sometimes we meet at a spot they're comfortable with. The point being, I'm happy to do what it takes to kind of see the matter through. Most people don't handle the estates of deceased individuals every day. There's lingo that not everybody is familiar with because it just doesn't normally come up in daily conversation or life. And it's nice to be able to help people when you know the right questions to ask, you know the right places to look for where assets might be, and just the procedures to claim them, in addition to the whole court procedure, which can be daunting in and of itself. I'd like to think I'm reasonably personable and affable and approachable. I work with people directly. I don't kind of hand the task to someone else on my staff. I prefer to be someone who you can reach directly pretty easily. And I like to think that you work with me and I can help you get things done instead of me giving you a list of tasks or saying so-and-so will take care of you from here on out. I kind of like being the go-to guy and seeing the matter all the way through. When you hire me, you deal with me directly, and I like to see the matter to completion. And only in rare circumstances do I have to end representation before everything is wrapped up. And I'm available for questions. I like to be generous with my time, and I want clients to feel like they can easily come to me with questions and unusual stuff that comes up and really just kind of see the matter through to completion.